The role that wasps play in the proper functioning of ecosystems is fundamental in ensuring the survival of other animal and plant species. In this The Daily Eco video, we reveal the amazing functions of wasps and why they are so important to life on Earth. Let's get started. 1. Pollination. Wasps, like bees and many other insects, eat an omnivorous diet. Therefore, among other foods, they feed on the nectar of flowers. In this way, by consuming the nectar of flowers found in their natural habitats, both small wasps and large wasps perform the indispensable function of pollination, without which many of the wild crops and plants would not be able to reproduce. 2. Biological control of insect pests. Wasps naturally control insect pests in crops and wild habitats. These are the natural predators of various groups of insects, including aphids, small spiders, and caterpillars. All these insects are seriously detrimental to the crops in which they appear. For this reason, more and more farmers are choosing to introduce wasp colonies as a bioinsecticide to guarantee the protection of their crops. 3. Recycling of organic matter. Thanks to their omnivorous diet, wasps are able to participate directly in the decomposition of organic matter. Through the chemical interaction of substances in the digestive system of wasps and the high sugar content of many of the foods they eat, they help break up the remains of decomposing food. These foods mainly include overripe fruits and vegetables, thus accelerating their decomposition and favoring the recycling of organic matter. Before we continue, let's put you to the test. How long do worker wasps live for? A. From 2 to 4 weeks, B. From 1 to 2 months, or C. Between 2 and 4 months. Think about it, because at the end of the video, you'll be able to find out if you're right. 4. Intervention in enology. A recent scientific study carried out by an Italian research team revealed how the stomach of wasps turns out to be an amazing reservoir for Saccharomyces cerevisiae yeast, the species of fungus that is indispensable in making foods such as wine, beer, and bread. This fascinating function is due to the fact that while they feed on grapes, they deposit in this fruit the yeast that are found naturally in their digestive systems. Subsequently, the yeast will ferment, later giving rise to the wine we consume. What if there were no wasps? More and more scientific studies confirm that a world without wasps would be a world even more full of pesticides and chemical pesticides, something that would be tremendously polluting for all living beings on the planet. Thanks to the incredible function of wasps, in ecological terms, as controllers of insect pests, it is essential to develop strategies that favor their conservation. These conservation strategies are increasingly necessary given the constant decline in wasp populations globally, mainly due to the loss of their natural habitats and the irreversible effects of climate change. For this reason, scientists are increasingly concerned about wasps ending up in danger of extinction. However, it should be noted how the high temperatures are a result of the appearing pests of exotic wasp species in other parts of the world, such as the expansion of the giant Asian horn. And going back to the question we had asked you before, have you thought about it? The correct answer is A. Worker wasps typically live for 2 to 4 weeks. In contrast, fertile males live for about 2 months, and queen wasps can live for up to a year. So tell us, did you know the important functions of wasps? We hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.